Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss about 9th class physics. In optics lesson, the subtopic is power of combination of lenses are at a distance. So that means if you consider two lenses, either converging lenses or diverging lenses, or converging and diverging lens. So if you arrange them into some distance, for example, this is a one convex lens of focal power P1 and this is a another convex lens of focal power P2 which are separated by a distance d. Then the resultant focal power formula is P equal to P1 plus P2 minus D into P1 P2. So this is the resultant focal power of these two lenses which are arranged some distance. So here if both are convex lenses, so in P1, P2 we are taking positive sign only. If you are taking one convex lens and another one is concave lens, then you have to take P1 is positive and P2 is negative. So this is the way to explain about focal power of combination of the lenses which are at separated by some distance. Okay, now based upon this we are going to discuss some problems. First problem. A converging lens of focal power, a converging lens of focal power 5 diopter and diverging lens of focal power and diverging lens of focal power 8 diopter are separated by a distance of separated by a distance of 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. Then find equivalent focal power. Then find equivalent focal power. Focal power. So first option is 6.6 diopter, second option 0.6 diopter, third option 2.6 diopter, fourth option 1.6 diopter. 1.6 diopter. So in this problem, a converging lens of focal power. Converging means convex lens. So that's why the focal power is considered as a positive. So P1 equal to 5 diopter. And the diverging lens of a focal power 8 diopter. Diverging lens means concave lens. So its focal power is negative. So P2 equal to minus 8 diopters. And these are separated by a distance of 90 centimeter. So here D equal to 90 centimeter. When converted into meter, we can write 0.9 meter. Okay, our aim is to find equivalent focal power. So the basic formula is P equal to P1 plus P2 minus D into P1 into P2. So P1 5, P2 minus 8 minus 0.9 into P1 is 5 and P2 is here P2 is minus 8. Okay, so 5 minus 8, so minus 3, minus into minus plus. See here 5 into 8, so here 40, so 40 into 0.9, so here what we can write 0.9 and here is focal power is 8 diopters. So here 0.9 into 40, so 9 into 4, 36. So 36. So answer is 33. So focal power is 33 diopters. Focal power P equal to 33 diopters. See here 5 minus 8 minus 3. So here minus into minus plus. So here 5 nines. Otherwise 5 into 8 40. 40 into 0.9 36. Okay, so 36 minus 3 plus 33 diopters. So 33 diopters means fourth option is correct. Okay. Next, second problem. If two converging lenses of focal powers, if two converging lenses of focal powers 6 diopters and 8 diopters are separated by some distance. Separated by some distance. Separated by some distance. The equivalent focal power is focal power is 10 diopters. 10 diopters. If distance is doubled, then resultant focal power is. So first option minus 6 diopters, second option 4 diopters, third option 6 diopters, fourth option minus 4 diopters. So see here, in this problem our aim is to find out resultant focal power, but the condition is if two converging lenses of focal power 6 diopters and 8 diopters are separated by some distance. So here distance not given. The equivalent focal power is 10 diopters. So up to here first we have to find the distance between two lenses. So see here the formula is P equal to P1 plus P2 minus D into P1 into P2. So effective focal power is 10, P1 value 6, P2 value 8. Both are positives because converging lenses, convex lenses, focal powers are positive. So minus D into, so P1 into P2. So 6 into 8, 48. Now here 10 equal to, so 14 minus 48 into D. 48 into D. So now it comes to here minus 4 is equal to minus 48 into D. So D is equal to 4 by 48, D equal to 1 by 12. D equal to 1 by 12. But now if the distance is doubled, means we have to take distance D is 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6. If distance is 1 by 6, then what is the effective focal power? So that is P dash is equal to, so here P dash is equal to P1 P1 plus P2 minus D P1 P2. So P1 is 6 plus P2 is 8. So here D value 1 by 6 into what is P1 6, P2 8. So P dash is equal to this one cancel 14 minus 8. So 6 diopters. So after increases the distance between two lenses doubled, the resultant focal power is 6 diopters. So third option is correct. Third option is correct. Next, third problem. If focal power of one converging lens is, if focal power of one converging lens is double of focal power of second lens, double of focal power of second lens, then equivalent focal power is, then equivalent focal power is 1 diopter. 1 diopter. Equivalent focal power is 1 diopter. When they are separated by, when they are separated by some distance 1 meter, some distance 1 meter. Then find focal power of each converging lens. Then find focal power of each converging lens. So first option 1 diopter, 2 diopter. Second option 4 diopter, 8 diopter. Third option minus 4 diopter, minus 8 diopter. Fourth option minus 1 diopter, minus 2 diopter. So in this problem, see here, if focal power of one converging lens is double of focal power of second lens. So that is P1 equal to X, P2 equal to 2X. P1 equal to X, P2 equal to 2X. Then equivalent focal power is 1 diopter. So P equal to 1 diopter. When they are separated by some distance 1 meter. So D equal to 1 meter. Then find focal power of each converging lens. So that means X, 2X we have to find. So first our aim is to find the X value. So what is the basic formula? P equal to P1 plus P2 minus D into P1 into P2. So here P value 1, P1 X plus P2 2X minus 1 into X into 2X. So 1 equal to 3X minus 2X square. So here for finding the X value, so here we got a second order quadratic equation. So how can you write 2X square minus 3X plus 1 equal to 0. So in this one, if you split into this minus 3X as minus 2X minus X plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So now here 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. So if you take 2x as a common, x minus 1 minus 1 if you take common, x minus 1 equal to 0. Once see here 2x into x, 2x square minus 2x into 1 minus 2x minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so in this one, x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. So in this one, x equal to 1 means power of one lens is 1 diopter, the power of second lens is 2 diopters. So 1 diopter and 2 diopter. So 1 diopter and 2 diopter. So here 1 diopter and 2 diopter here also given. But which lenses they gave here? Converging lenses. Converging lenses means the focal powers are positives. So that's why 1 diopter, 2 diopters. First option is correct. Okay. Thank you.